Alright guys, so before you start creating your books and publishing them on Amazon, it's important that you find out what other people are doing in that niche. Okay, find out the best-selling books in that niche and then use the information to create products that will succeed. To get started with this, you're going to use the Cloud Product Finder on bookbolt. Just log into your bookbolt account and click on Cloud. Now, once you click on Cloud, it will take you to this page where you're going to select the amount of bestsellers you want to be displayed. We have top 100, top 200, to up to top 500. Select if you want all up to 500, you can select it, but for the sake of this training, I'm going to keep it at 100, top 100 bestsellers, and the category. Now, there is notebook, there is journal, there is music sheet, calendar, etc., etc. You can go through all of them and do your research based on each of them later on. But for now, for the sake of this training, I'm going to do only notebook. So I'll select the category. It's the bestseller range from 1 to 500. I'm just going to leave everything here default. It's best to leave every other thing default so that you can get a broad information about everything, how the best-selling books are in all the both the keyword that are doing very well and in that particular niche. Now, this is a category. Now, there are so many keywords in this notebook category. So by not putting any keyword here, you're going to find all the keywords that are already ranking high in this particular category. So that's why we're leaving this blank. So since you have selected top 100 and selected category, just click on search. It's going to bring out all the best-selling books in that category, in the notebook category. Now, okay, let's say, okay, good. Now, the page I've loaded, the first thing you need to check here is the result data. Check the result. Just click on this toggle here to open up the information here. Say the keyword, okay, top bestsellers 100, that's top 100. Sellers rank, this is the sellers rank from 1 to 500,000. Price range is between 0 to 100. Okay, top one, the lowest price that these books sell is $3.85. The highest price that these books sell is $39.22, and the average price is about $8. We've covered this in the previous training video about the highest and lowest price, how you need to make sure your price is within the range. Then category, all right, so on the other side is the keyword count. Now, keyword count is what people are searching on Amazon. Let's say someone goes to Amazon, they want to buy a notebook. There is 260 persons search for notebook each month on Amazon. They go to Amazon, search, type in notebook, and then find out the notebook that they like, the design that they like, and they buy. So there's 137 persons search for pages, paper, basic book, read. All these keywords are what people are searching on in Amazon. So when you are writing your title, the title of your book or the description, you make sure that you use these keywords, use some of these keywords inside your description and also your title to make your book visible when people are searching for it on Amazon. Okay, so let's go down and see example of these notebooks. This is an example of notebook. These are all examples of notebook. You just go through them and find out the one that best appeals to you, the one that you want to do something similar to. Now, this is the title. You can click on it and view it on Amazon to see all the other information on Amazon. And also, this is the author. You can click on this author to find out more information about the author. Maybe you can give if it's something that if it's an author that is that appeals to you, that is something that does what you want to be doing, you can follow what that author is doing and maybe create your own profile and make sure that your profile is ranking visible as well. Now, when it comes to publisher, you will see that most publishers are independently published. What this means is that they are the ones that publish their books on Amazon. Now, if they are publishing their books through maybe a publishing company, the name of the company will be displayed here. But because they are publishing by themselves, you see independently published. Now, once you publish your own book, you will also be in this independently published category. Now, there are over 1,256 reviews on this particular book. So you can see the dates published on 2019, 2nd June 2019. This is when this person published this book. This is a notebook. Okay, it's a low content book. The only what the person did is just to design the cover and the interior. They use something like this software, this bookbolt, to create it, which we are going to be doing in the next training video. So you can go through this book, this information, and find out the details about it, so as to give you idea of what to create. Now, the description, you can click on this to find out the description of the book. This is what is written in the description. So if you are publishing a book, you can go through another book that is similar to what you are publishing, see what the title is. You can use it as an example to create your own unique title. Use your description as well, maybe change a few things to make it, personalize it to be yours. So that, and also when you are writing, when publishing your book on Amazon, it's important that you make use of these keywords. Okay, and make sure that at least 3 or 4 of these keywords are inside your description. It will help you rank on Amazon. When somebody is searching for your book, your book will come up. So okay, I think we've covered that. Another thing, there are so many books here. Since we selected top 100, so you might not, it might be too big for you to go through all of them. But the easiest way to go about this is to create a favorite category. Let's say there are 2 buttons there. There's favorite button, and there is price history. Now, this price history is a graph where you find out how this book is. Now, if you click on it, let's select it. If you click on it, you see over the years, over the months, how this book have been performing. As you can see here, January 5th, the price is $6.99, and it's selling about okay. Let's see this. What this graph shows is if the author made any changes to the book, and what effect it had on the sell rate. Now, let's say, for example, here on June 13th, the price was $6.99, and on June 19th, the price went up to $8. Now, as you can see, the price on the 13th of June was $6.99, and the sales was a bit okay. The sales rank was 19,508. Let's see what happened when he changed the price to $8. Now, the price changed to $8, and the price rank increased to 28,856. As you can see, this author increased the price, and the sales increased. Also, I think it's just increasing and decreasing. It's almost the same. It didn't change that much. It started performing well when this author increased the price. So you can see, you can go through it and find out, okay, these are some of the changes this person. It started with this price and then increase it. You can also play around with your own price when you publish your own book. You check if it's not selling well. You can either reduce the price or increase it and see if there's changes. If you increase the price and you start making more sale, leave it at that. If you increase the price and the sale drop, then take the price back to where it was, or you can reduce it. Now, it's just something that you play around with until you find out what exactly is working for you. Okay, so I think that's that. This favorite tab is, let's say you find a book that you like, you want to do something similar to, you just click on this favorite button and add it to your favorite tab. I've created all this favorite, this notebook. To create these favorites, I what you need to do is go to this your menu here, click on favorites. We'll come back to this cloud. Click on favorites. Let me show you how to create a favorites tab, so that anytime you want to add a particular book that you've researched into a particular category, so that you can go back later on and look at it. Let's say this is a favorite. If I click on favorites, all the books I've added on favorites will be displayed here. If I want to create uh, a new category, a new favorite category, just need to click on add category. You can add the name of the category here. I've added I think almost all the books, all the book category here, so there's no need to add another one. So all you need to do is click on add category, enter the name of the category and save. Then the category will be displayed here. If you select each category, for example, I selected notebook. These are all the books I've added in the category. Now, if I go back to cloud, and I can add so many other books that I want to replicate. I want to do something similar. I can just search them and add them to my category, to my favorites, so that later on I can go out there and visit them and then create something similar to what I've already been selling, that I can also make more sales. So this is something you need to do. You need to do to help you, give you ideas on what to create, because it's important that you don't just jump in and start creating books without doing proper research and knowing what is selling, what is not selling. There are millions of books on Amazon, so to give you that edge on sales, you need to use this research. Make sure you go through it and find out what these guys are doing that are making their books to sell more. Then use their own book as an example. Get information. Use the information that they've already published. Use it to generate your own book title, description, design cover, design interior, everything. Use it and as an example to create your own. Then you can start beating the competition and start selling more books on Amazon. So I think that's that about finding out best selling key products on Amazon. You can do the same for journal. You can do the same for diary, for music sheet, coloring books. Just take your time and go through each of them. Take your time and go through each of them and find out what is selling more better, and then do the same for you. So once you are done with that, go to the next video where I'll show you how to now create your book. We'll start with notebook. We'll create a notebook, create a journal, create other type of books. Then I will now show you how to publish them on Amazon, and also do your keyword research. Okay, we've already done keyword research. How to use those keywords to write your Amazon book title and description, and then publish them so that it will rank. All right, so I think we've covered that. Let's go to the next video so that I will show you how to publish that.